It's Friday, June 26th, also known as Dip by Friday. So in the group this morning, I added a watch list, and the watch list was very extensive. My watch list covered uh, VXRT, AAME, ALIM, ESKO, ZOM, PLUG, GHSI, IBIO, MDCA, ALT, AEY, AYTU, and AVCO. So, I am in no way, shape, or form professional financial advisor. I am just a guy who trades stocks. So, yesterday, because this account here still follows the PDT rule, and I was out of day trades yesterday. So what I did was I put ZOM in the group, and I rarely ever buy stocks this cheap, hardly ever. Reason being because they rarely move in a big chunk of change that I would need to. So a small stock will move barely a cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. Yes, you can buy more shares, but it's not moving that much. So it's like, in my case, I got 6,000 shares of this stock here. I can go back and show you. I got 6,000 shares of stock here at 23 cents yesterday, which is right back here, right? The problem is, yesterday at 10:30, I bought these shares. Here we are now, almost 24 hours later, and thing only moved 2 cents. That's crazy. The high this morning was 2 cents more than what it is right now. Mind blowing. So when you trade in the stock on TOS, Think or Swim program, you can only trade 5,000 at a time. So I bought yesterday 3,000 shares. And I waited a minute for a dip, and I bought 3,000 more shares, which is why I got 6,000 shares. So I'm currently up 66 bucks. Now, since I can't trade but 3 times in a 5-day period, and I want to make 100 bucks a day at least, I can sell right now and still average this week $300 a day. But I'm not going to sell yet because I see here on a 15-minute window, as you can see, I'm looking at it. We are reversing. We just passed the VWAP, and we got room to go. So I might sell it at the new high. Hopefully it passed 20, 25 cents. I want to get at least 26 cents. Not get out of it, be done with it. But I don't buy cheap stuff like this because this reason right here. However, I want to trade every day, so I bought an overnight hold. Back to my charts. Now yesterday VXRT made some noise. It's over here. They go to 15-minute chart on VXRT. Yesterday had news yesterday, and it went from 334 to I think it was 626 at closing yesterday, but then it moved another 100% more after it closed yesterday. So it's up 200% basically in 2 days. Now, let's go back a little further and look at this for a minute. In the 5-day, 15 minutes, already there. So, let's make it bigger. If you look here, it consolidated basically the whole night last night. From 4:45 until freaking 7:45 this morning, it consolidated. Then all of a sudden here this morning, 8 o'clock, it made a powerful move up. So my guess is more news popped off on it. I haven't looked yet, but I do know every morning at 8 o'clock, most trade platforms open. 8:30, Robinhood opens. Everybody know by now, Robinhood at 8:30, the stock determines where direction it's going to go majority of the time. On Robinhood, people look at the trends or the top 100 stocks or what's the most bought today, and they buy those stocks. Again, I know this already. So what I do is play on that ignorance. People in Robinhood, most of them on there, don't know what's going on. They just buy them to see some LC. Like I say all the time, most stock traders are freaking sheep. They will do what the next person do. They won't do due diligence. They won't do research. They won't look at trends. They won't look at news, nothing. They just buy because someone else bought it as well. Here he is now, VXRT, making a move up to the positive side. It's in the group. I told you guys about it. It's still making a bull run. The channel is right here, as you can see. Let me draw the channel. Channel right here, 1075 to, that's not really a big channel. We're going to draw here. 1195. If you watch the stock pre-market, you're going to see it's going to be in that channel the whole time, right? When that channel is broken right here, it's going to pass this previous high and it's going to run. I think by end of the day, this stock here may be at 13, 14 bucks by end of the day. Let's watch it. So AIM, it has news this morning. It also is showing, let me go to 15 minutes right quick. It has news this morning. As you can see here, yesterday, it was flat the whole day, right? Market in, news came out. Look at yourself if you want to look at it. And news came out, it's straight incline, right? And right now, we currently have a pullback. You can see here, at the 5-day, 15-minute this morning, it's a little pullback. Of course, profit taking. Look at the time again, 8 o'clock, right? Big buy, aka short sellers, buying the positions back, closing the positions out. So 8 o'clock, big seller came in, or big buyers came in, to close their shorts, and then profit taking. See that? And here he is now, 8:30, right about here, 8:30, 8:45. You'll see people start selling more, and you go reversal. Remember, the first 5-minute candle to make a new high is where I would have bought in at. Let's go backwards. So right at this point, there is no 5-minute candle to make a new high. So technically for me, the first 5-minute candle that make a new high after this candle's red, that's the buy-in point. But you can see here the high is 288, and it's basically doorstepping all the way down. There's no really no support. Rephrase that. Support is right here. Let me go over. Sorry, y'all. Support is right here. I'm going to the right, to the left rather. Oh, I ain't got my I ain't got my 2. Hello. Let me go to my 2 right quick and show you what I'm talking about. Support is right here. So, and resistance technically is this channel. We're gonna put it right here. So, look at the whole morning. Gonna bounce it back, bounce back, bounce back, right? The first green 5-minute candle to make a new high, that's your buy-in point. At least that's my buy-in point. I'm not telling anybody what to do with their own money. Look over here at VXRT. Still in that same channel, right? Look over here at Plug. Now, Plug has news. Plug has a $12 price target. Came out this morning. I bought this one for a long-term hold because I have no more day trades left. I bought it this morning. I'm going to sell it on Monday. Let's go back over here. I'm going to the group right now. Let you guys know is once this thing breaks this $12 mark, that's your buy-in point. At least that's what I'm going to buy in at. All right, so that's in the group. So I posted in the group. I got 45 seconds before the market opens. I'm gonna walk away at least with maybe 50 bucks on ZOM, ZOM rather, ZOM, for overnight hold. Not that bad. In my long-term account, I'm getting ready to trade AIM, VXRT, and maybe MDCA or maybe CTXR or something like that. Let's look here now. I'm checking my freaking auto sim. I'm getting out of this stock when the market opens. Hopefully, we can get a good pull. But at this point, it's a wash. I gambled a little bit, hoping for like $100 or $200 overnight. It didn't do that. Wait, here we go. It may do that. Let's see. Let's see. May have a move. Let's see. Yeah, may have a move. I want $100. Let's see if I can do it or not. Oh, look at MDCA over there. MDCA making a move. See that? Come on, give me green candles so I can get out of $100. I want $100. Let's see what we can do. Come on, come on. Make that move to the positive side. Need $100. Need $100. Let's go. Still green. Still green. Give me $100. Take away those 5,000 shares. I got 1,000 left. I don't like what it's doing here. All right, so overnight hold. I only made $47.50 on a day, but altogether I made 57 some change because you see this morning only shows today's price, not the overall position. So see that? Look how I dumped. I knew it was happening. I could see it happening, so I got out of it. So this trade overnight, almost $60. Now my goal again is $100 a day, but $50 today, almost 20 yesterday. I can't get mad at all about that. Let's go to MDCA. Oh, hold on a second, y'all. My phone right quick. Let me show you my buy-in points so I can show you now. It takes a while to load sometimes. Let's see if we can show it. Nope, not quite showing it yet. To be continued. So go over here now to my watch list. MDCA. MDCA. Leading gap on the day. However, 74 million share float. 4 million shares being traded. Float kind of high. I don't like it. And it's fading right now. As you can see here, it's fading. Level 2. The buyers piling in. Any news? Let's see. Some news right there. Hold on, y'all. Let me go to my cell phone and make another trade. Hold on. I don't like MDCA right now, but we're going to see what happens. So, hold on. My phone got something going on my phone. Look at BTXR. It passed $12, right? Look at that. I called it, right? $12 is gone. See that? It's gone. I called it. I put in the group way before I got $12, so there's no reason why nobody made the money on that one. You had a freaking 20-minute lead on that one. 20-minute lead. Let's see. Let me escape that one. Let's see. CTXR. I'm in VXRT at, what price am I at? 11.50. I'm gonna sell $13. Wait a minute, it's already $13. So now we going a little higher. Now we going at $13.60. Let's see what happens. It definitely want to run some more. I'm gonna buy more shares actually. I'm going back in a second time. I'm gonna buy more shares. That's what I'm gonna do. There go $13.50. Next target is $14. Remember, in the group, I told you guys way ahead of time this was going to happen. It's in the group. Did it just halt on volatility? I think it did. Halted on volatility. This is too easy, like stealing money. Oh my God, like stealing money. Like stealing money, man. This is crazy. I'm gonna put in the group right now. Halted on volatility. Remember, you guys knew way ahead of time. You knew $2 ago what was gonna happen. $2 whole ago. This is amazing. Now, for those who don't know, anytime a stock passes, hold on, I'm texting you guys in group. Anytime a stock traded more than 10% of the shares in the minute time frame, stock is going to halt on volatility. And you should know by now as well, you can go to NASDAQ current trade halts, and it'll tell you when it halted and when it's going to resume. Again, I'm not going to my computer because I'm trading, but you got to see what's going on. All right, what's going on here? So, put my new sell order in right now. The VXRT, it's a $20. That's a big gap. $13.61 to $20. That's a huge gap. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm greedy like that, I'm putting my sell order right at $19, just in case it doesn't go what I want it to go to. No, I'm not. I'm cutting the difference in half. I'm not being greedy. My sell order is going to be $17. We go from there. If it doesn't hit 17, so be it. If it does, A1. All right, what we got going on here? Let's see, 13. We're going to hold it here on VXRT for a minute because it's halted. Meanwhile, my cell phone trading IBIO right now. Let me go backwards. IBIO, I'm in it right now. My price on my cell phone is $240. And I want to sell for a quick scalp. I got another trade going right now. My trade, it's not really powerful. My trade be $260. I'm okay with that. I don't want to be in this trade too long anyway. I got other stuff going on. IBIO. Make it 270. Make it 270. We got a curve up right here, so we good. 270, I'm out. Let's see. IBIO, it's fading on me. Don't fade on me. Don't fade on me. Let's go, IBIO. Give me 270. Nope. I don't like what it's doing either. Back in return point, 260, and get out 260. I'm cool with that. IBIO out 260. Let's see what happens. 260, 260, 260, and there we are, 260. Sell. Let's try this again, shall we? Come on now. IBIO. It's getting weak. There we go. Now we out. IBIO 260. Alright, so back to my MDCA. While VXRT is halted, I'm going back to MDCA. MDCA is weak. I don't like it at all. Here go the previous lines I drew way back when. I'm taking them out right now. Don't like them. The stock sucks right now. Ain't doing nothing. This is horrible. Don't like it. Back to VXRT. Now I'm still holding VXRT in my long-term account. I'm just waiting to sell it after the halt. My sell order is $17. Let's see what happens. It's a big freaking separation between the bid and the ask price. Bid is $13.61. Ask is $20. So that's a huge gap. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm being greedy today, I'm cutting the middle. So the middle of this trade, $6 gap, we're gonna say 17. Even though it's a little less than that. We're gonna say $17. That's my sell point. Nope. It ain't gonna go 17, I see, huh? Okay. That ain't gonna work. Let's go to 15 then. We're going to 15. 15. Let's see what happens. New sell order in $15 on VXRT. Let's go, VXRT. 1450 next resistance. We can get to 1450, we in there. It's gonna halt again, I'm sure it's gonna halt again. It's a matter of time, it's a matter of when. VXRT, let's go. I got it at 15 right now. Waiting on it. Waiting on it to make a move right quick. What we got going? We still powerful on the MACD. The RSI, we still looking powerful on those. Straight incline, bullish. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Make it a little smaller because 5 minutes too gapped up. Curling down the 5-minute chart. I'm going to group right now. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to sell at 14.50. I'm not being greedy. Profit taking right now. Expect it. Now I got in way back when, so I'm good. Let me put in the group my sell order. Sell order is going to be 14.50, depending on the reverse direction. So me going right here now. So I put in the group possible 14.50 sale, question mark, question mark, question mark, meaning check for yourself. Hopefully somebody look at it and see. Check out this stock right here. Now I'm in VXRT on my cell phone. I'm in at 11. Well, I'm in. Hold on. I'm in at look again. 11 something. 1170. Well, I think I said. VXRT. 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 I'm in at 1161 on my cell phone. So I'm up now almost $1. It's getting weak. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Strong pullback on the 5-minute. It's a strong pullback on the 5-minute. That same line drew earlier is not becoming support. I'm gonna hop out right now. I'm out. 60-cent winner. I'm okay with that. So now, at this point, I'm gonna have to call it a day. I'm putting in the group right now what I made today on my long-term account. Rephrase that. On my day trading account. My large day trading account and my small day trading account. It's gonna reverse. I'm sure it's gonna reverse back to the $14 mark. It's almost guaranteed. Why? Because most traders are sheep. They're gonna do everything someone else do. Not only that, the top traders of the day, rephrase that. The leading gappers on the day are the ones everybody watch the most. Which makes sense. I do the same thing, as you guys know by now. I see what goes on. I find my entry points, I find my exit points, and I keep on pushing. What's going on here? Let's see. Watch about 5 minutes more this VXRT and see what happens. And if we can get it to freaking pop this $14 mark again, we get in there. Here it comes, consolidation. Remember, if you buy in, whenever you want to buy in a stock again, look at the first green candle that create a new high. At this point, the new buy-in point now will be up here, around 1386 or 1385. You can buy now if you want to. Dangerous though, but how I do is usually I find the bottom and I buy in on the new 5-minute candle. It makes a new high. Seems like it's trying to be shorted, but you know, it's the market. That's what happens. It broke support. Barely, but it did. Let's go level two. Yeah. See all the short sellers coming in? They piling up. Short sellers or profit taking. I'm pretty sure though, short sellers. You know why I say that? Watch the numbers. They come in and go out real fast. See that? They fake sellers. They popping in, popping out. Popping in, popping out. Happens all the time. Watch the top right here. Look at the top. Popping in, popping out. So, level three, news. Positive coronavirus vaccine developments, 926. Look back here, 926, right there. Powerful move up. Now, even the flow is high sometimes. This stock here at 74 million share float, even if it's high, with large volume, 66 million shares traded a minute, and with news, it still will move. But it may or may not sustain those gains or losses. So in this case, it may rise and pull back immediately, like it just did, but then almost always go back again. It's like clockwork. It comes back, it goes up, support, right? Or my bad, consolidation. It pulls back, and then it goes again. Happens almost every time. Meanwhile, over here, MDCA dumping. Man, I told you earlier, I ain't like it because it's dumping like that, and there it is still dumping. Not a good stock to buy. CTXR. Look at that. I'm gonna put in the group right now. It's a buy right now. I'm gonna put it plain that. Buy CTXR. Just like that. Remember the video. Buy CTXR. Period. Ain't no way I can put besides that. It's in the group. Let's see who buys it though. Now the high today is 186. It's not far from that right now. Now I put in the group, I said buy CTXR. Remember that. It's in the group. There we go. It's gonna pop 190. Remember, 10-cent levels are resistance. Once it pop 190, $2 around the corner. Be right back. Just watch. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to the charts and watch 4 charts at one time. VXRT, Zoom, dumped on me. Look at Zoom, ZOM. See how I dumped? I sold up here. I knew better. Look at that. Flush. Every single time it does that. Don't get caught holding the bag. Don't get caught holding the bag. $11.20. 288, 71.55. Here we are here on VXRT. Still the same channel from earlier. Plug is failing. Aim out the gate. Profit taken. Recover. Here we are here still on CTXR. It tapped this 186 again, didn't it? It sure did. It tapped it twice. Double top. But didn't break through it. Even still, I said buy at 172, I think it was, 173, when I finally saw it. You could have made 13 cents off that. But it's not done yet. This ain't done yet, nor is VXRT over here. This here, plug, didn't buy opportunity coming. Aim, buy right now. The first green candle that passed the new high, that's the buy point. It's in the group now. I'm putting it right there right now. I put in the group about AIM. Look at that. It's still there. See that? It's still sitting there. So the buy-in point on AIM, let me go backwards. Would be right here. Right? 254. The current price is 256, but it went up all the way up to so far 6 cents. Keep an eye on it though. Watch what happens. Watch what happens right here. Up here. CTXR, not done yet. Remember I said earlier, it's not done yet. VXRT, not done yet. PLUG, reversal, is coming. AIM, look at that. Current price, still moving. Next stop is going to be right here. Previous support now became resistance. That's 265. I'll be back in a minute. Keep an eye on this. I think I own some AIM that I'm going to hold. Let me see. You own some AIM? Y'all buy AIM? Look at plug. I called it earlier, right? Reversal. Look at plug. Reverse right there, right? I called it. That was the first green, second green. Bam. Look at CTXR. If you're still watching this, once it pop 186, it's gone. Look at that. Look at CDXR, 190. This is too easy, man. This is too easy. Oh my God, it's too easy. It's like stealing money, you know? This is too daggone easy, man. I'm telling you. It's like stealing daggone money. Next stop, $2. Look at that. This is too easy, man. This is too daggone easy, man. I'm telling you. Now, I told you guys back when it was 171, buy now. It's in the group. I said buy now. I didn't say should buy now. I said buy now. Some say I don't be direct sometimes, so I make sure I say it this time directly. I said buy now. I didn't say don't buy now. I didn't say research it. I said buy now. So my alert again was like 171 or 170, something like that. We up right now from that point. We up 25 cents from that point. So yeah, 1,000 shares, 250 bucks, right? 500 shares, 175. My bad, 125. I'm tripping. Meanwhile, look at plug. It's in the group. I say watch reverse. It's in the group. Look at VXRT in the channel, still moving around. Look at AIM. AIM went from way down here, I called it, to way up here now. This is like stealing money, man. I promise you. So, at this point, I've been on here almost, what, an hour now? I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to go eat. And with that being said, this is Joe. As always, stay green. Don't be greedy. One trade away. And have a great weekend. Get to the money.